All right, I'm going to start off with a warm-up drill. 4 stages. First 2 are bill drill, a 5-round bill drill at 7 yards, and stage 3 is a emergency crisis reload, and stage 4 is a failure to fire. So 5-round bill, 7 yards. .307. .295. Now crisis reload. .528. Very slow. And I will set up the failure to fire. I pulled one of those. 376. That guy came on that last segment there. So yeah, really went out. That broke the line, that 1 and 2 out. Times weren't the best, but it's cold. It's a warm-up drill. It's the metric to figure out how you're doing, how you're going to do in real life when you're out working the streets. All right, this is Doug at Titan Training Company. You guys have a good one. It's a 4-stage warm-up drill consisting of 15 rounds, 7 yards. First 2 stages are 5-round bills, followed by an emergency reload, and then a failure to fire empty chamber at the end. So that's the target. I'm going to put it up and I'm going to shoot it.